Hey guys, welcome back. I am filming from the bedroom again. You guys seem to really enjoy like more of the casual setting, so I'm gonna try and do this more for you. And I get why you guys like this more than like the studio lighting and studio professional setup. This is definitely a lot more casual. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing 5 skincare products that I love to use to brighten my skin, and I just absolutely love these different steps that I do to pamper myself and also brighten my skin at the same time. I partnered with Clinique for this video. One of the products that I'm going to talk about today is from them, and it is an absolute must-have if you want more of like a brighter skin because it makes such a difference. So I guess I'll just jump right into it. So this is the Fresh Pressed 7-Day Challenge by Clinique, and I am absolutely obsessed with this. I don't know if you guys have ever seen like videos about it or have read about it, but it's basically a vitamin C 7-day challenge that you do, and after the 7th day you're like, whoa, my skin looks so much brighter. The kit comes with these little packets as well as the vitamin C droplet. So the first thing you want to do is rip this open, mix a little bit of water, and start to massage this into your skin. So this is going to be the cleanser, and it's a fresh pressed renewing powder cleanser. So once you put a little bit of water, it activates the ingredients and you just kind of massage it into your skin. It foams up a little bit. I love that the cleanser is super gentle on the skin. It doesn't feel abrasive or harsh, and afterwards it doesn't feel drying either. Like your face just feels really fresh and radiant. So once my skin is nice and clean, I go ahead and towel dry it, and then I'll move on to the second step, which is the Clinique Fresh Pressed Daily Booster, and this has 10% vitamin C. What you want to do is mix 2 drops into your favorite moisturizer. The one that I use, and I've talked about this before, is the La Mer, the Moisturizing Cool Gel Cream, but you just want to use 2 drops into your favorite moisturizer and start to like massage this into your skin without applying anything else. I feel like after the 7 days, my skin just looked really fresh and bright and like just felt radiant, you know. And what I loved about it the most is that makeup just went on so much nicer. I just absolutely love this. If you guys have ever tried it, let me know your thoughts, because apparently it's a very popular product. So I love the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta pads, which again I've talked about before, but basically if you apply this twice a week, it not only brightens the skin, but it also kind of helps with texture. Like if you have a lot of like scarring and all of that stuff, like over time it kind of makes it a little bit, I don't want to say even, but it just definitely makes a little bit of a difference over time. So twice, maybe 3 times a week, I'll go ahead and use this before I apply the moisturizer. Let's move on to what kind of eye creams I like to use for that brighter kind of under eye finish. Really great brightening under eye cream that I highly recommend is the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This guy over here, I don't have it here with me because it's at work, but I actually keep this at work, so whenever I'm gonna do my makeup, I'll put this under my eyes, let it sink in, because then like when I put makeup on, I feel like my under eyes look a lot brighter. So that's like what I do whenever I'm gonna wear makeup, but I know that a lot of people just use that as their daily sort of under eye cream. So that's an amazing one too. Moving on to some masks that I highly recommend, I love for like brightening. Number 1 is this Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Face Mask. All of these things have such long names. It looks and feels like a fruit. It just feels like there's like fruit in here. It smells so good. Like I'm like, no girl, it's not jam, don't eat it. I do like to use this about once a week if I feel like I want to like brighten my skin. It works really well. So, and it's very gentle too for the skin, which I love. Another mask that I really like is by Tatcha, and this is the Vitamin C Radiance mask. This one is lavender. I have used this like a long time ago on Instagram, I think, but it's like one of those masks that I don't reach for often, but whenever I feel like I need my skin to look brighter, then I'll reach for this. But this is like another really good one for like that brightening sort of effect, and it smells more like a mask rather than a fruit. They're both really good for brightening though, so I recommend either one. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any favorite products you like to use to brighten your skin. Leave it in the comments below, and if you have any questions, leave that in the comments, because I'll be down there for the next hour or so replying to you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.